Okay, today we're going to show you how to take off the side panel of the Stone Espresso Machine. After you've taken off the magnetically held 5 panels that belong over here, there'll be 4 screws that will take out. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Again, this is a foreign machine, so you're going to use only metric tools. 5mm is the one that you need for this. We always want to take this one out last, and I'll show you why when we take it out. And this one is stripped, so that one's not going to come out easily. Okay, behind this screw there's a brass standoff. Okay, this is the standoff I was telling you about. This screw on this particular unit is stripped, so we just take it to the side like that. But in order to take the top off, you need to take both side panels off. Now we're going to take the side panel on this side. These are only stuck on by magnets. Good luck if you don't have fingernails getting these off. Okay, again, we're going to take these 4 screws off. This one last because remember there's the brass piece behind it. Actually, there's 5 screws on this side. This side is not stripped. Not only does that take the side off, but it also takes the back off. Now remember, this has got the brass spacer behind it. And there's your spacer. To get the top off, you have 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on this side, 2 screws over here, 1 screw here, and 1 screw there. P1 is the size of Phillips screwdriver you want to use. The 2 screws on these sides are the flathead screws. All the other screws are not flathead. So when you put it back together, you know what screws to use where. Okay, we've gotten the grid off. Now using a P2 screwdriver, just have to loosen these. Don't have to take them out, but they have to be loosened. And now you've opened the top.